The One Light is the most portable way to learn piano without a teacher. Pick one of thousands of songs to play by following LED lights. The lights will stop and wait for you until you play the right notes. Choose from hundreds of LED integrated video lessons. When you're ready, try your hand at a game where you score points by playing the note just as it lights up. The piano also has built-in speakers, so you can play sounds using your favorite music apps. You can also sing along as you play by attaching a microphone. It's performance ready. Choose from over 400 instrument sounds and perform for your friends.
you.